Today we're going to make a short tour of the Morphun factory in Poland. This factory was built 7 years ago and it belongs to Met-Plast plastics, who do a great job for us and for you. Now I want to introduce you to Irek, who is the owner of this factory that we built together 7 years ago. I'm so pleased to be here again. This is an important part of Morphun. We have all modern German presses of less than 10 years old. And in this place we have made almost 1 billion bricks, is that right?
Yes,
almost close to 1 billion bricks have been made in this wonderful Polish factory. And we run here ISO 9001?
Yes.
And how long have you been in this press business?
All my life, probably.
So this guy has been in this business 32 years. We started here 18 years ago and we had about 16 pieces and 14 molds. We now have a much larger range of production. How many pieces do we have now, Eric?
About 61.
And how many molds?
About 50.
About 50 molds. All this investment has been in excess of $1.5 million in tooling to make the production possible for a global company. Here we are at the tool racks. These are some of the tools we use for production. Eric, how often do we do tool maintenance?
Well, that depends, but usually every 250, 300 working hours.
The maintenance is very important so that the fit of the product is always perfect. And do the tools have to go to other places to be maintained, or it's all done here?
No, we make all down here.
It's all done here unless you have a big problem.
Yes.
That's very interesting. Here you have one of our recycling machines. The sprues, the leftover plastic is poured into here, it's ground up and it comes out as dust that is put back in the machines and reused. 99% of the plastic here is used, and that's very important to us. How many machines do we have?
7.
Why do we have 7?
Because we need each for each color.
That's perfect, thank you.